short shorts are about to get shorter. Keep your eyes on the bug. She does. Here, Slinky. Here, Slinky. This explains how Dave got that fresh pine scent. Here's a kid who takes one for the team and one for the other team. Most guys would stop after they broke the fan, but these aren't most guys.
Did you get them all?
I just hope she figures this out before they melt.
Any woman can beat a man in arm wrestling. Ready? Watch this. You ready?
Hey, I'm telling you right now, I already know what.
All right. Ready?
Go.
Go.
That is not fun.
I'm pretty sure that's the frame for the tent they're supposed to be putting up, and I'm also pretty sure they're going to be sleeping under the stars tonight.
The christening of the fish tank.
You know what you don't put in a saltwater tank? A freshwater phone.
What's going on?
Oh, fancy. He's got a top of the hill sled and a bottom of the hill sled. Nice shoes. I hope he doesn't Jimmy Choo them.
Put your food away. Put your food away.
I have to ask, when did wild horses develop a taste for Cool Ranch tortilla chips? The judges gave him a 3.9. No, I'm sorry, that's his height. Winter is the safest trampoline season. If she keeps playing with her brother's crutches, she might just get a pair of her own. Hey, you wouldn't scare a guy on crutches, would you? They are supposed to provide support, but who can support this? Last one in has a rotten hip. Apparently, he hasn't healed quite enough for that long walk along the beach. Hey, kid, you do know those things are adjustable, right? AFB presents Worst Ever. Worst recruiting video ever.
Hi, I'm Tristan Hale, and I'm a wide receiver, and this is why you should pick me. Oh!
Worst handstand ever. Worst fire putter outer ever. Worst way to eat corn on the cob ever. Bring the chin up, not the bar down.
America's funniest video! We can win $10,000!
They're playing Connect, which is what his fist is about to do to her face.
Oh my god.
My kids are going off. He touched me in his chair.
She does the workout, her brother feels the burn. If you told me he was going to get hit by something, my money would have been on the bullwhip. What's the best way to unintentionally awaken a hibernating bunny?
Holy cow, Tom.
I know a rabbit with tail.
Oh, they're throwing flower petals. What do they do when they run out? Every good golfer knows you've got to keep your eye on the ball, no matter how many there are. They'll be picking sand out of those hard-to-reach places, like their dog. It looks fun, but where do you stand if you want to go next?
Hey,
Where's your daughter? Oh, she's getting out a jug. Oh boy, this is gonna be scary.
It's very scary.
Oh man. Put that cup away from the edge, all right?
Maybe this gallon of milk is a little too big for this half pint?
No, this is an experiment.
Why don't you just let me do it?
She wants to learn.
She wants to learn. Go do it. Go do it. Go clean it up now. She wants to learn. Go.
As you see, nothing really cracks much. If I jump, it just, you feel me? Shane's gonna film me. She had a crackly. If I jump, I will not fall. See, look. Jump test number 1.
This is one time you don't want to be at the front of the line.
French Bulldogs versus English Backyards. Hello. This Brit has a beautiful backyard, and so does his neighbor. But I don't know what this dog's saying because I don't speak French. Cheerio. This little bird lands right on her bangers and mash. Blimey. Mon Dieu. Even French Bulldogs can't wait to surrender. And look at that. What a beautifully manicured British lawn. And you can keep your fancy French cooking. This Bulldog has a taste for peanut butter. And God might save the Queen, but nobody can save this fence. English Backyards. Join us next week when the Botanical Brits take on guys who let their wives walk all over them on Versus. Poor guy, cleaning it on his own. Someone should give him a hand.
It's
not every camper that comes with an escape hatch.
Big bike ride of the year.